Welcome students, subject Mathematics Standard 8th. Content Part 2, Chapter number 12, Equation in one variable. Points to remember. Chapter number 12, Equation in one variable. Keynotes: an equation in which only one variable is used is known as equation in one variable. The values of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of the equation. Solving an equation means to find the solution of the equation. The equation obtained by performing the same operation on its both sides does not change its solution. The operation done on both sides of an equation are to add the same number to both sides, to subtract the same number from both sides, to multiply both sides by the same number, to divide both sides by the same non-zero number. If A, B, C, D are non-zero expressions such that A upon B is equal to C upon D, then multiplying both sides by B into D, we get the equation AD is equal to BC. Practice set 12.1. Question number 1. Each equation is followed by the values of the variable. Decide whether these values are the solution of the equation. Question A. X minus 4 is equal to 3. Here they given the x values minus 1, 7 and minus 7. When x is equal to, we taken minus 1. So right hand side the x value is equal to 3. 1. From left hand side of the given equation, x minus 4. So x, how much we taken? X is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. Second, from 1 and 2, right hand side is not equal to left hand side. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not the solution of the equation. When x is equal to 7, from left hand side of the equation, x minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. From 1 and 2, 3 is equal to 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. Now, when x is equal to minus 7, so from left hand side of the given equation, x minus 4, so minus 7 minus 4 is equal to minus 11. 2 from 2. Now from 1 and 2, minus 11 not equal to 3. Therefore, right hand side is not equal to left hand side. Therefore, minus 7 is not the solution of the equation. Is the answer. Question number B. 9m is equal to 81. M is equal to, they given 3, 9 minus 3. Now, right hand side, they given 81 from 1. Now, left hand side, 9m is equal to, when we taken m is equal to 3. So, 9 into 3 is equal to 9 3s are 27. From 1 2. From 1 and 2, 27 is not equal to 81. Therefore, right hand side is not equal to left hand side. Therefore, m is equal to 3 is not the solution of the equation. When m is equal to 9. So, left hand side 9m is equal to 9 into 9 is equal to 81. From 1 and 2, 81 is equal to 81. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, m is equal to 9 is the solution of the equation. Now, m is equal to minus 3. So, left hand side 9m is equal to 9 into minus 3 is equal to minus 27. 2. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2 minus 27 is not equal to 81. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m is equal to minus 3 is not the solution of the equation. Is the answer. Thank you.